Hey guys, Trevor here with E-commerce Paradise, and today I'm going to talk about automation and outsourcing and why it's key to do this so that you can have a long-term sustainable business and you can scale without getting burnt out. If it's your first time watching the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. So automation is really key, and what this basically means is setting up standard operating procedures and even software to manage the day-to-day tasks of your business if at all possible. There's a lot of different software functions you can use, and also just create training videos on how to use the software to manage your business on a day-to-day basis and how to do the things you need to do to grow your business. And once you make those training videos, then you can go and hire a freelancer or a full-time virtual assistant on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork or onlinejobs.ph. And one of these full-time virtual assistants will be able to help you do those things for you on a daily basis for a very low cost. In the Western world, it usually costs somewhere between $10 and $15 an hour. Hire somebody. In the Philippines, it costs between $2 and $5 an hour. So it's quite a bit cheaper. And they also do really good work as long as you make the training videos, okay? So the key there is making really good training, and then even having them take notes on the video when they watch it and writing out a checklist of things to do, and then creating a system for them to follow so they can have a repeatable checklist so that they can do it over and over and over again. And you're going to break down different parts of your business so you can hire a person to manage each part, not have one person trying to manage everything for you. And as you scale, you can hire more people and your business can really grow from there, and you won't get so burnt out. In fact, you could even get to the point where your business is so well automated and outsourced that you could do other things like start a YouTube channel, make YouTube videos, or start a second store, or start an affiliate blog, or even build a software product or something like that, or just take some time off and go on a vacation. Okay, so automation and outsourcing is really key to your business. It's something I focus on. It's something I teach in my high-ticket dropshipping masterclass. If you want to get full SOP templates as well as sheets to organize everything, you can go to ecommerceparadise.com/masterclass to get more information on that. All right, so definitely get that going, guys. If you need any help, definitely reach out to me, Trevor at ecommerceparadise.com. I can always help you to overcome any problems that you might be encountering with your business as far as like scaling it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.